Everyone loves a luxury hotel. The pool, the views, the comfort. But what if I told you that in 2025, you don't need luxury money to enjoy luxury hotels? Most people overpay because they don't know the tricks. The truth is, hotels price rooms like airlines price tickets, with timing, demand, and data. That means if you know when and how to book, you can save hundreds of dollars without sacrificing quality. Stay with me, because by the end of this video you'll know step by step how to grab cheap hotel deals, even at the very last minute. The first secret is timing. When you book matters more than where you book. Most travelers book too early or too late. Hotels track demand, so the sweet spot often comes right in the middle. For big city hotels, the cheapest rates usually appear 2 to 3 weeks before your stay. For resorts, it's closer to 2 to 3 months. But here's where it gets fun. Last-minute deals can be even cheaper, if you know where to look. Let's break it down area by area, so you can use this system anywhere in the world. Start with flexibility. The more flexible your dates, the more you'll save. Hotels adjust rates daily, sometimes hourly. A room that's $180 on Friday may be $89 on Tuesday. Always check weekdays versus weekends. Business hotels often drop rates dramatically on weekends when executives leave. The opposite is true for resorts. Weekdays are often cheaper because weekenders drive up demand. By shifting one night, you can save enough to pay for dinner or even an extra excursion. Flexibility is the first step. But the second step is choosing the right platform. Most travelers stick to one site, like Booking.com or Expedia. But deals hide across multiple platforms. Always compare at least 3, one major site, one hotel-specific site, and one aggregator like Google Hotels or Trivago. The same hotel room may vary by 20 to 40% depending on where you book. And don't forget, sometimes the hotel's own website has the lowest rates with perks like free breakfast or late checkout. Think of it like fishing, you don't throw one line, you throw 3. That's how you catch the best deal. Now let's talk about apps. Mobile-only deals are one of the easiest hacks for 2025. Many hotel chains and booking apps offer special discounts if you book on your phone. Download the apps for Booking.com, Agoda, and Hotels.com, then turn on mobile deals. You'll instantly see prices that desktop users never get. Sometimes it's $5 off, sometimes it's $50. Apps also push notifications when rates drop. That means the deal comes to you instead of you chasing it. Pair this with flexibility, and suddenly you're saving big. But apps aren't the only tool. Let's move to loyalty programs. Hotel loyalty sounds boring, but here's the trick, you don't need to be loyal. You just need to sign up. Most programs are free, and even at the basic level they unlock 5 to 10% discounts. Marriott, Hilton, Accor, IHG, all give cheaper member-only rates. Signing up takes less than a minute. Even if you never stay again, you saved money that one time. That's step 3, always join. Now let's level up to last-minute apps. Sometimes plans change. Flights get delayed, schedules shift, or you just land in a city without a booking. That's where apps like Hotel Tonight or Deus shine. Hotels hate empty rooms, so they slash prices last minute. You can often grab 4-star hotels at 2-star prices, simply because they'd rather earn something than nothing. Last-minute deals are risky, but in big cities they almost always pay off. The secret is not to panic, browse calmly, and the deals will pop. Now let's shift to direct contact hacks. After finding a price online, always call or email the hotel directly. Tell them the price you found and ask if they can beat it. Often they'll not only match it, but add perks like free Wi-Fi upgrades, early check-in, or free breakfast. Hotels love direct bookings because they avoid paying commission to third-party sites. This step alone can turn a good deal into a great one. Now let's unlock another trick, bundling. Most travelers book hotels and flights separately. But booking them together on sites like Expedia or Agoda often unlocks hidden discounts. It's not always cheaper, but when it works big. For example, booking a Bangkok hotel with a flight can sometimes save more than the cost of the hotel itself. Always test both, separate and bundled. Compare and choose. That's how smart travelers beat the system. Now let's move to hidden gems, cashback and credit cards. Cashback sites like Rakuten or Top Cashback give you money back after booking through their link. Combine this with hotel discounts and you double your savings. Credit cards also matter. Some cards give instant discounts, while others give points that convert into free nights. The best trick is stacking. Book on an app with a mobile deal, through a cashback site, and pay with a points card. That's triple dipping, and it's how budget travelers stretch their stays. Now let's cover seasonal strategies. In tropical countries, peak season means high prices. But shoulder season, right before or after, is where the deals live. For example, Sri Lanka in May or Bali in November often sees rates cut in half compared to high season. The weather is still good, but tourists are fewer. This applies worldwide: Paris in February, Tokyo in June, New York in August. Shoulder season is your friend. Traveling off-peak is the ultimate budget hack. But there's still one more trick: alerts and automation. Don't waste time refreshing sites every day. Set price alerts. Google Hotels, Skyscanner, and Hopper all track rates and notify you when they drop. That means you don't chase deals, deals chase you. The trick is setting alerts weeks before you travel. Then, when a deal appears, book fast. Cheap hotel rooms vanish quickly. Alerts make sure you're the one grabbing them first. Now let's tie it all together with a step-by-step system. Step 1. Be flexible with dates. Shift days to find cheaper rates. Step 2. Compare multiple platforms, never trust just one. Step 3. Sign up for loyalty programs, even if you only use them once. Step 4. Check mobile apps for hidden discounts. Step 5. Use last-minute apps if you're spontaneous or stuck. Step 6. Contact hotels directly to match or beat online prices. Step 7. Try bundling flights and hotels together. Step 8. Stack cashback, points, and promotions. Step 9. Travel in shoulder season for half-price rates. Step 10. Set alerts so you never miss a drop. Follow these steps, and your hotel budget will shrink while your comfort grows. So the next time you travel, remember, cheap doesn't mean cheap looking. It means smart. In 2025, the best hotel deals go to the travelers who plan like pros. Now it's your turn. Which of these hacks will you try first on your next trip? Drop your choice in the comments, and I'll share more personalized tips to help you save. And before you leave, remember, for stress-free travel through busy airports, trains, and city streets, check the link in the description below for my recommended anti-theft backpack.